I don't speak Portuguese. I can speak English.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
You have to follow the rule. Rule number 1, open the flash. Okay? Yeah, because this cram is very dangerous. You have to open the slide carefully. Okay, let's go. Come in.
Oh, wow.
It's
Very clear. Very clear. Okay, bro.
It's dangerous. And
Hey, bro. Hey. You can see the height of this crab. Wow, very quick move.
It's very clear and jabo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, very tung mau. Okay.
Mau, and the stone.
The stone.
Stone, mau.
Stone mau. Okay, stone mau. Okay. You can allow the duty. Be careful. White shoes is very dangerous because very thick.
Oh,
Oh.
look my duty.
Morgia,
It's
bro,
very thick.
morgia. Okay.
I have wow, my duty.
Oh, hey.
I'm to make.
Okay, let's go. Oh, for me, Rukmo. Only for me. Not pay the shoes. Because I'm not rich. Wow. Very long
look.
clam. Again. Be careful. Okay.
Keren, syairai, keren nongser, ya syairai. Nah keren apa keren?
Oh.
This ni bola putih. English na bola tu bolo.
Golden.